Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 237. If we start with this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 9. 4 here, so 5, 4. For this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this column now, we're missing a 9. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 5, 3 here, so 1, 5, and no help here, 1, 3, 5. For this top row, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 3, 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 5 here and a 9 here, so this is our 7. That 9 makes this our 5, 9. For this row, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For this box now, we're just missing a 2. For this column, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 7. But I don't see any other help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got the 5 here, so 2, 7. 2 and 5 here, so this is our 7. That makes this our 2, 5. For this box now, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got the 8 covering these two boxes, so our 8 must be here. 7 here, so 4, 7. For this box, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this column now, we're just missing a 6. And for this box, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this row, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. That makes this our 1. We can get rid of this 1. That means the only place the 1 can be in this box is here. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this bottom row, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. That makes this our 3. And for this box, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.